How to govern a climate assembly. Climate assemblies can be powerful tools in our fight against the climate crisis. But to truly unleash their potential, we need to ensure that they're governed with integrity and with care. Commissioners and organisers are entrusted with a pivotal task, balancing diverse viewpoints while upholding the Assembly's credibility and legitimacy. Getting governance wrong can undermine the legitimacy of the Assembly from the very start. The OECD provides valuable insights, suggesting an independent coordinating team for maintaining integrity. So how can we establish governance structures that everyone trusts? How do we ensure a balanced range of evidence shapes the Assembly's decisions? Our recommendation? Early formation of a stakeholder advisory group to ensure robust oversight and support from diverse social interests, and a knowledge committee to support the development of balanced, accessible evidence. Assemblies have developed different governance arrangements with their own strengths and weaknesses. Find out much more about governance in our short read and other resources. Visit our website to discover more and be part of the movement for effective democratic climate action.